The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the safe handling and capture of cotton rats using a specific method aimed at reducing the stress experienced by the animal. This is accomplished by first placing an enrichment tube against the end of a rat cage and a securable steel basket on top. In the second step, the proper protective personal equipment is donned and the cotton rat is allowed to crawl into the enrichment tube. The tube is then held against the side of the cage, and the trapped animal is quickly transferred into a plastic container with air holes for transport to the anesthetic induction chamber. In the final step, a special nose cone specifically fitted for the cotton rat snout is placed on the animal to facilitate complete sedation. Ultimately, this capture procedure can be used to safely handle cotton rats in a manner that decreases their stress and increases their safety when using these highly excitable rodents in preclinical studies.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because of the discrepancies in the literature regarding the handling, housing, and demeanor of the cotton rat.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical to complement the written accounts to prepare researchers for the behavioral challenges in working with cotton rats.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Breanne Cuddington, a graduate student, and Meghan Verschoor, a postdoctoral fellow from my laboratory.
To decrease infighting, house the cotton rats individually in polycarbonate rat cages containing 1/8 inch corncob bedding, a section of PVC tubing no longer than 8 inches, and nestlets for enrichment. To allow for the safe and easy capture of the animals, place the enrichment tube against the